Now students, today we will solve the problem of ninth class real number chapter by rationalizing the denominator. We have a problem. What is problem? If a and b are rational numbers, if a and b are rational numbers, find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b in the equation. What is given equation? Square root 3 plus square root 2 by square root 3 minus square root 2 left side and equal right side is what? A plus b into root 6. By solving this equation, we have to find the value of a and b. We have to find the value of here. What is first of all take what is given? What is given? Square root 3 plus square root 2 by square root 3 minus square root 2. Left side given and right side equal a plus b into root 6. Right side root 6 given. Right side is a is there. Right side b is there. So if we get the left side same form, right side form. So by comparing these two, left side and right side, we can find the value of a and b. See students, how to solve left side, how to change the left side number in the right side form. See, by rationalizing the denominator. First of all, write left hand side number root 3 square root 3 plus square root 2 by square root 3 minus square root 2 and rationalize the denominator. For rationalizing denominator, we have to multiply and divide by square root 3. Change sign. In denominator, what is the sign? Minus 3 is there. So change sign, minus 3 to plus, minus 2 plus root 2, square root 2. By changing the sign of the denominator, multiply by the number and divide by same number. Let's see. Square root 3 plus square root 2 by square root 3 minus square root 2 and multiply with square root 3 plus square root 2 and divide by square root 3 minus plus square root 2. Multiply and divide by same number by changing the sign. Now multiply numerator to numerator. This is numerator, this is numerator. Numerator to numerator multiply square root 3 plus square root 2 into square root 3 plus square root 2 and denominator to denominator multiply. First denominator, this is second denominator, this is first denominator is square root 3 minus square root 2 into square root 3 plus square root 2. Let's see one important thing is in denominator we have a form. What is form? We root a, this is square root 3 minus square root 2 into square root 3 plus square root 2. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So we have one identity. We have one identity to follow for solving this. A minus b into identity is what? A minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. By following this identity, we can solve the denominator and in numerator multiply. In numerator, first term to multiply, first term to first term, first term to second, and first term to second term all multiply. How to multiply? See students. See students. How to multiply? First to first. First term is square root 3. Here first term is square root 3. Square root 3 into square root 3. Now first to second. First to second. First to first over. First to second. Square root 3 into square root 2. Square root 3 into square root 2. Now over. Next second term to first term. Second to first. Square root 2 into square root 3. Square root 2 into square root 3. Now plus second to second. Square root 2 into square root 2. Square root 2 into square root 2. In numerator multiply each term of the first each term of the first to all terms of second. Square root 3 to square root 3, square root 3 to square root 2, first to all, first to first, first to second, second to all, second to first, second to second, like this. Yes, and in denominator we have a form a minus b square root 3 minus square root 2 into square root 3 plus square root 2. A minus b into a plus b. A is what? Square root 3. B is what? Square root 2. So we can write in this form a square minus b square. A is what? Square root 3. A is what? Square root 3. A square means square root 3 square minus b what? Square root 2 minus b square means square root 2 square. A is what? Square root 3. Square root 3 into square root 3, square root 3 square. B is what? Square root 2. Square root 2 into square root 2, square root 2 square. Now, square root cancel. Square root cancel. Next, see. Next what? Multiply. Square root 3 into square root 3 what? 3. Plus same. If numbers are same and square roots are in multiply, so square root will get cancelled. Square root 3 into square root 3 is 3. Now square root 3 into 2 what? Square root 3 2 is 6 plus square root 3 2 3 is 6 plus square root 2 into square root 2 same like this. Square root 3 into square root 3 is what? 3. Here same. Square root 2 into square root 2 2. Now by denominator. Here square root get cancelled, remaining 3. Here square root get cancelled, remaining 2. Next 3 and number same, number to number add. 3 plus 2 what? 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Square root 6 square root 6. One time what? 2 time. 2 square root 6 by 3 minus 2 is 1. Now next we have 5 plus 2 root 6. By 1 no need to write. Yes, 5 plus 2 root 6. This is left side form. Now we have to compare left side by right side. Left side is what? 5 plus 2 square root 6 and right side is what? A plus b into square root 6. Now we have to compare this left hand side to right hand side for finding the value of a and b. How to compare? See, at a place a is what? 5. At b place a is what? B is what? 2. So we got, by comparing the two sides, we get the value of a and b. We get the value of a. A is what? 5. B is what? 2. 6 square root 6 square root 6 will get cancelled. So this is the process of finding the two rational numbers a and b by rationalizing the denominator left hand side and get the same form of left hand side to right hand side. After getting, compare these two values, compare left hand side and right hand side and get the value of a and b. This is answer.